Hello, it's Doc from Ready, Set Crypto with your 1-minute market report for Wednesday, May 1st. Crypto futures trading is the hottest thing going with today's volatility. What are some of the new developments in this space? It's no secret that the big dog in this market is still BitMEX, who was last valued at $3.6 billion and leased the whole 45th floor of the most expensive real estate in Hong Kong with a rent payment of $600,000 per month. Arthur Hayes creates a huge target with other companies just looking to grab a piece of that market share and knock them off their perch. In 2019, so far, we've seen several competitors come along, with most of them going right after BitMEX and trying to simplify the trading experience for the retail trader, which can be quite daunting on BitMEX. I've covered a few of these over the last couple of months. The latest that I've seen is ByBit. ByBit is a Singapore-based BitMEX alternative. It has a very simple, clean interface, and from what I can see, has very good liquidity, and the BTC USD spread is about 50 cents, which is about as good as you're going to find. It's essentially BitMEX Lite with taker fees and maker credits and a perpetual contract with a funding rate where you can adjust the leverage. They offer the same kind of charting through a TradingView window, and the order face is your typical Forex type buy-sell limit and market orders with big red and green buttons. In short, this is essentially a different skin on BitMEX with a more streamlined set of features. So if BitMEX has kicked you off and you're looking for a new service, you'll find ByBit to be very similar. But quite honestly, no one's going to be a BitMEX killer by creating something similar. You have to shift the paradigm. And this is where we had such high hopes for Digitech's futures, because they were going to offer zero commission trading. No maker or taker fees, no perpetual contract funding rate, and oh yeah, a proper trading ladder and not those stupid buy and sell buttons. And the market was up for this as well, with Digitech soaring many multiples above their ICO price on the hope that their April 30th launch was a home run. But instead, they laid a goose egg.
It doesn't work.
So that's the bad news. A year of development down the drain. But the good news is that a new partner has stepped in by the name of Smartdeck, and the market seems to agree, at least for now. Digitech has always been great on vision, but short on development execution. They have 2 strikes on them from missing past release dates and have their backs to the wall. Can Smartdeck save them and get to market and be the next in line for ascension to BitMEX's throne? Look, guys, all you need to do is to get to market and execute with a minimum feature set, and it's yours. Since everyone has an opinion, I'll throw mine in on what they need to do to get to market and change the landscape. First off, just trade Bitcoin versus the US dollar. I know that they have plans to do many, many more instruments on board. You can't take Normandy Beach all by yourself. All you can do is focus on 50 feet of it. So just come to market with one instrument only and cater to the crypto market. Number 2, make your own market. We don't care what the spot price is, Adam. Make your own organic market and let somebody else arbitrage to it. Number 3, trading ladder. Release day 1 with a trading ladder. It's a huge advantage for those that know how to trade. Number 4, get actual traders on the platform first. Don't be a hostage to those that signed up on the wait list. For those that just wanted free tokens, they won't be trading anyway. Cater to those that will provide liquidity on day 1. And lastly, don't worry, be crappy. Guy Kawasaki was one of the original product managers of the Macintosh back in the 1980s, and he coined this phrase, don't worry, be crappy. If you're changing the world, get to market with the minimum possible product set and then relentlessly improve it. But nothing counts more than getting to market. So what do you think? Do you see any competitors for BitMEX? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for listening, and we'll see you in the next 1 Minute Market.